Hi friends! Welcome back to the channel Cancer and Crafts, where I journey through stage 4 cancer through crafting. Today, I'm showing you how to make your very own custom mug using the Cricut Mug Press. I'm going to walk you through each step so you can create something beautiful and permanent. Here's what you'll need: a Cricut Mug Press, a Cricut Maker or Joy, a Cricut compatible mat, and weeding tools. You'll also need a device with Cricut design space, Infusible Ink transfer sheets, and of course a compatible sublimation mug. Don't forget, heat-resistant tape, heat-resistant gloves, and a heat-safe pad for cooling. We'll start in Cricut design space. Choose the mug design setup template so your artwork fits perfectly. From here, you can create your own design, or choose one from Cricut's library. Once it's ready, don't forget to mirror your image. That's the magic step for Infusible Ink. I've already chosen my design, and today I am using my Cricut Joy. Place your Infusible Ink sheet on the mat, ink side up. Load it into your Cricut Maker or Joy, and let the machine do the work. When the cut is finished, gently peel the sheet off the mat. Now it's time to weed your design. Use your weeding tool or fingers to remove the extra ink sheet, so only your design remains on the liner. Infusible ink is a little stiffer than vinyl, so take your time. Before you wrap your design, make sure your mug is clean and dust-free. A lint-free cloth works great. Wrap your design snugly around the mug with the ink side facing in, and secure it with heat-resistant tape. Preheat the Cricut Mug Press until it beeps. Place your mug inside, centering the handle in the opening. Close the lever, and the press will start automatically. No need to set a timer. When the press is done, carefully remove your mug and set it on a heat-safe pad. Let it cool completely. It will be very hot. Once cool, peel away the transfer sheet and get ready for that wow moment. And here it is, your custom Cricut mug. The design is vibrant, permanent, and dishwasher safe. If you enjoyed this tutorial, tap that like button, subscribe for more crafting projects, and let me know in the comments what design you'd put on your mug. Thanks for crafting with me.